In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to create YouTube Shorts. The goal is to turn your existing information into quick, usable content ideas and ready-made assets, using Notebooklm in a clean and organized way. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to notice the layout. Notebooklm is designed around a notebook workspace, where you bring in your source material on one side, ask questions in the middle, and generate outputs on the other side. This structure is what makes it useful for short-form video planning. Next, create a new workspace by clicking the plus option that says Create New on the dashboard. This opens a fresh notebook where you will collect sources and develop content for your YouTube Shorts. Naming is optional, but keeping one notebook per topic makes things easier to manage later. Now upload your sources. In the pop-up window, choose the type of source you want to use, such as a PDF, a YouTube link, or a file from your drive. When you add these, they will appear in the source panel on the left. This panel is important because Notebooklm uses it as the reference library for everything it generates. A helpful tip is to use sources that match the exact topic and style you want for your shorts, so the outputs stay focused. With your sources loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. Type a question or prompt to analyze the material and pull out content ideas. You can ask for YouTube-specific help like short hook ideas, key takeaways, tight summaries, or punchy scripts. As Notebooklm responds, you will see clickable citations. Use those citations to verify where each idea came from and to stay accurate. When you get an answer you want to keep, click Save to Note. This lets you store strong hooks, script lines, or outlines in one place, so you can reuse them later without hunting through the chat history. Finally, go to the Studio panel on the right and generate an output. Choose Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview depending on what you need for your workflow. These tools help you quickly turn your research into a format you can adapt into a YouTube short. That covers everything you need to know.